So, welcome to the session Musings with Software Engineers. My name is Amit. For all those who are new to this channel, mostly I talk about the software industry and all my videos are related to software. So, I started this live because I was getting a lot of questions on my channel. And I thought the best way to answer is when the person asks me a live question to answer that question. If you are interested, then you subscribe to this channel. I'll put a note somewhere. Devtha, should I concentrate on development or competitive programming? I am third year student doing BE computer science. So, what is competitive programming? I don't understand that. I have no idea about competitive programming. Programming is a field where you use your knowledge of software development to build software application. And why do you build a software application? You build a software application to solve a problem in some business, in some industry, right? If you build accounting software, you are solving the problem of accounting. If you are building an aviation software, you are building an aviation MRO. That was the first software that I built in the first company that I was running, an aviation MRO software. I am solving the problem of MRO companies who are doing maintenance, repair, and overhaul of aircrafts. Okay, I'm solving their problem with the software. Where is the competition? There is no competition. We are not like hitting sixes and four and nothing like that. The only goal is the software application be as small as a calculator. Just imagine the calculator software which just comes up on the Google Chrome. When you search for calculator, the calculator script pops up and you can calculate anything. It's a very small application. You can try to build a calculator application using your first programming. That was the first application I built when I was learning programming using Visual Basic, just to understand how this Visual Basic programming language works. A simple calculator application. But just imagine if you build that application, it is going to help people who are going to use that application. So your only focus should be on building a software application. If you know how to build a software application which solves somebody's problem, then you are good engineer. Companies will pay you as much money as you want. Even if you don't write a single line of code, but you have these brains which can design a software application which will solve everybody's problem, something like a Google Maps or a Swiggy or a Zomato or Airbnb software or any of these great softwares that are there, PayPal, Paytm, all these softwares that are there which solve some kind of a problem, then you will be a good engineer. Okay, so the main thing to learn is to really learn strong basics and fundamentals of programming, because at this point you will not understand how the entire project works. When you go and do a job, you will come to know, okay, now I know programming. Now I have to use my programming knowledge in building this application. And a lot of times you're working in teams, so you may be building a very small part of it. There is no competition in programming. There is a competition as an employee with other colleagues of yours when it comes to salary and promotions and all, but that is done on a totally different level. Only 20% of your programming knowledge will help. So Devta, focus on your studies first, and programming in your studies. If there is a programming language, master that much. If you have data structures in C++, master that data structures completely, so that it will be helpful when you actually come to programming. Okay, so do that. Don't try to fly before you walk and run. uh, Everybody wants to fly. Okay, but if you try to fly and you don't have wings, so you're going to fall. So before that, learn how to stand up, learn how to walk, learn how to run. And once you start gaining speed, then you will get wings to fly. I would request you all to share my videos as much as possible, whichever video you like, and we can meet again on next Thursday, same time at 9:05 p.m. Bring your friends on this channel and we can have a lot of chat. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. See you.